G'day folks, it's DIY Guy 123 here, bringing you another do-it-yourself video. We've got a 2003 Cadillac STS. It's in beautiful condition. However, it's got this problem with the rear cross member that runs between the two sides of the vehicle, connects to the bottom of the unibody of the car, and holds the control arms on. Now, here's one side of that cross member, and you can see it's got some corrosion holes. The corrosion is isolated to just those areas. I've scraped around and poked around even an inch away. You can see the metal here is like 1/8 of an inch thick. It's the thickness that it's supposed to be. So the corrosion is really just in those areas. And we've checked on the passenger side, not a thing wrong with it over there. It's really just this. So what are we gonna do? To remove the cross member, you gotta remove the exhaust, the control arms, the springs, the braking system, the wheel hubs, the rear sway bar link, all has to come off in order to remove that part. My friend was quoted $2,000 for the part at the shop, and they didn't even tell him what the labor would be because they didn't know. We're not doing that on this old car. I've made some patches right here out of a heavy duty frame of a shelving unit that I had. And you'll see it's kind of a particular shape. It's curved nicely. And that patch goes right there, okay? That patch goes right there. It curves around the corner, goes right there. And then I've made this patch right here that covers up those holes right there. Now, a real fancy-dancy restoration, you'd cut the old corroded metal out and put this new stuff in because that would be the ultimate in longer life. Now, you can see the clean metal around here. I've cleaned it out with a grinder on the perimeter of the new pieces that I'm putting in. That way I can weld to good metal on both this part and on my new part that I'm adding. Okay, so I've got the patches all welded up. In the patches I put in, there were actually some factory holes from when it was a shelving rack. So I filled those holes in. Not gonna zoom in on the welds. This weld will hold for the remaining life of the vehicle. We're gonna give it a shot with some rust paint. And after this paint dries, then I'm gonna hit it with some undercoating. All right, so this repair is complete. That rust repair is not going to be a problem for as long as this vehicle is still on the road, and much more economical and pragmatic approach to repairing older cars. Good luck with your do-it-yourself projects. I hope this helps you. Bye.